What is up, everybody? I'm back with you. It's been a little while, but I have a bunch of stuff that I've accumulated over the past couple months since I've checked in last, and I wanted to give you guys a little peek at some of the coolest things that I've picked up. Now, a couple of these things were sent out to me. A few of the things I picked up myself. I'll let you know as we go through them, but let's just jump right into it. So first up, we have this Pro Tech toolkit from iFixit. If you know anything about gadgets or repairs of gadgets, you know the name iFixit. An awesome website that breaks down like every new device that comes out, and they also sell tools to help you along with that. Well, I bought this kit to help me try to repair my old Gen 1 Surface Book, and it did not work. I tried replacing the screen and it just didn't work. But I still have it. It's awesome. It comes with a ton of stuff. I mean, like a ton. I'll leave links for all this stuff down in the description. I almost sent it back after I could not fix my screen, but then I decided it would be really handy to have around, so I kept it. It's awesome, and I want to show you guys. Next up from Sandmark, we have the Wide Lens Edition. It's a case and lens for the iPhone X. I'll leave some samples in here when we get to the B-roll, but this is a really cool lens device thing. What's cool about it is it comes with two different ways to mount the lens. One, you can use the case, which, great. Or two, if for some reason you switch from the iPhone X to a different device later on, it comes with this clip, so you can use it on any device. So that's really cool, because sometimes you don't want to get bogged down, have accessories for just one phone. So that's really cool that you have that option right in the box. But I mean, this does 2 times wider angle photography than your regular iPhone camera. It's a 16mm lens, gives you 0.56 magnification, and it's a 42mm diameter. It's really, really nice. It really opens up the iPhone. I wish the iPhone had what LG does and has a wide angle lens and a regular lens instead of the regular and the zoom. I hardly ever use the zoom lens on the iPhone X. If it was a wide angle, I would use it way more. That's where Sandmark comes in with this lens. I really enjoy using it. It's bulky, but if you have the case on, you can just keep the lens in your pocket, screw it on real quick when you want to use it, unscrew it when you don't. The only thing that is it only goes over the main shooting lens, not the zoom lens. So once you put this on, you actually block the zoom lens. So that's just something you should know. But like I said, I never really used the zoom lens, so it is what it is. It's cool. It's awesome. Check it out. Links below. Sandmark was nice enough to send me the case and lens that we were just talking about. This one I ordered on my own, and it was through almost like an impulse buy. It was one of those ads that you see on Instagram and Facebook and stuff, but it's this iPhone X case that looks like it's like a Nintendo Game Boy. It is not, and it took about 2 months to get. Their customer service, like asking them where my stuff was atrocious. They sent tracking like, I don't know what it was, a week after I bought it, so I'm like, oh, hey. But then that tracking was just, you know, the label made and nothing was ever sent out for like 6 weeks. So I highly recommend not getting this. It's not worth it. I can't remember what it was, like 50 bucks. But I mean, the kids like messing around with it. I just don't think it's all that worth it. I can't really figure out how to select different games, and it comes with some instructions that aren't very good. It uses a little battery on the inside, so it's not rechargeable or anything like that. But I mean, for what it is, it's cool. It's a nice little conversation starter. The kids like playing around with it, but I wouldn't recommend it. But if you are interested, I guess I'll try to find a link for it below. But don't buy it. So here we got a cable from one of my favorite manufacturers of accessories, and that's Nomad. This is their 100-watt USB Type-C cable. It's braided, super strong, and what I use it for, I've since given my wife my MacBook Pro with Touch Bar, and she's a lot rougher on stuff than I am, which sounds odd, but she is. She uses that for her charging port to make sure that we don't get, you know, the crappy USB Type-C that comes with it all tore up. So she uses that to charge. It's a 100-watt max output, 10 gigabyte USB 3.1 Gen 2, fast charging for the MacBook Pro, braided ballistic nylon cable, and it's also available in a thinner 60-watt version if you're interested in that. Again, links will be down below, but Nomad was awesome enough to send this out to me, and I have to say I've used it for a long time, and I really, Really, really highly recommend it. And when you have somebody that's super rough on cables like myself or my wife, it's a must-have. This is the next and final item on the list. This I'm going to be doing a more in-depth review when I show you guys my gaming setup. It's not a traditional gaming setup, but I'm really happy with the setup. I've tried a few different things and I'm really happy with the outcome. And this is definitely a key component in it while as I try to get better with Fortnite, which is not working out at all. Every peripheral I buy to get better and better, I never get any better. So I suck at Fortnite. So these are the Sennheiser GSP 500. So they have this mechanism on the top here. They have a thing here and a thing here to adjust the width of it to give it, they're super, super comfortable. The cups are very large and wide or elongated, so they fit my ears really, really well. You talk Sennheiser, you know microphones are on point, so it's got this microphone, drop-down microphone. Really, I use this to yell at kids that yell at me about how crappy I am at Fortnite. The sound quality is amazing. It has a removable cable. It comes with multiple cables, so you can play it with PC, which is what I'm doing, Mac, any console with 3.5mm jack. So really use it on the Xbox, PlayStation 4. I mean, you're pretty much covered. But like I said, I mean, they're like noise canceling. And like I said, they're super comfortable. I've had no fatigue with them or anything, which is my biggest problem with over-the-ear headphones. If they don't quite fit right, I get like a lot of pressure down underneath the ear right here. And with this adjustment band like system up top, you can actually push it this way and it brings this pressure out. So very well designed, very well thought out, which is not a shock at all when it comes to Sennheiser. If you're a fan of me or fan of this channel for a long time, you know I'm a huge Sennheiser stan. Sennheiser, like I said, if I didn't, sent these out to me for review. I've been using them for 2 or 3 weeks now with Fortnite, and you know what? I haven't won any more games with it. I haven't got any more kills with it. I suck at Fortnite, if that wasn't clear from before. But if you're good at Fortnite, or if you want to step up your game, the audio is very important when you're gaming. With something like this, you can actually hear the footsteps or shots, you know, coming from the left or the right or things like that. So highly recommend getting a good set of headphones for gaming if you're getting into gaming, and this is a fantastic option. Again, I'll leave links for it down below. So that's going to be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up down below. I also have coming up, I'm going to show you my gaming setup where we're going to get into the Sennheiser headphones a little bit more. I'm going to show you the keyboard, the mouse that I'm using, and the very unconventional way I'm using my laptop / computer, so it's a gaming setup that I can take anywhere with. Make sure you check it out. It'll be coming up soon, probably within the next couple weeks, and I will talk to you in the next video. I appreciate you guys watching. Bye.